Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Long story short, we had a big tree causing a lot of root problems in our plumbing, and now we have a 6-foot hole in our master bathroom. We've finally saved up enough money to start the renovation process. The first step for us is to figure out what kind of design we want, and then we could bring the plumbers back and have them reroute where we want everything to go. That's why we've had it left open for all this time. Let's do some research and see what's out there. Preliminary research is going pretty good. We really wanted a clawfoot freestanding, but after doing some research, we have to solder and it is a little beyond my level. So we're gonna go with a drop-in instead of an alcove because we don't have 3 walls, only 2. I also found this website that's pretty good for trying to figure out some code and making sure our bathroom is built correctly. Let's draw up some plans. Here is our rough plans. This has a large bathtub and small vanity, but the toilet is at the minimum code necessary according to this website. And I'm preferring this one with the toilet over here. We'll have the recommended code, but a smaller bathtub with a bigger vanity. Last thing I need to do is post the shower and vanity online to see if anybody wants to buy them. We would hate for it to go to waste. I will schedule a time for our general contractor to come and talk about these plans, figure out what I can do, what he needs to do. Like the foundation, I'm not touching that. And my Monday videos are generally longer build videos. I was surprised this video was so short. I'm sure this is a very many part project and there will be videos that are longer and a lot of work. Video 72 done.